Hello everyone, my name is Handri Gojun. Today I will introduce a product is very useful for everyday life. The name of the product is Robotic Vacuum Cleaner from Jalan Gaber. Now let's continue with the product. In terms of appearance, this product is very good and simple. Next, at the top, there is a button to turn on this vacuum cleaner. Further, at the bottom, there is a sweeper to vacuum the dust on the floor, and also have wheels to move automatically. Now we go to the inside. This is the entry point for the dust that has been sucked in. Now we continue to the advantage of this product. This product have a noise reduction, and this product can charge using USB charging. This is the section where the product charging is. This vacuum cleaner also can last up to 3 hours, and there have a nabo spray to remove germs. And the last advantage, this product also have a sensor to detect dust on the floor. So from my review on this product is very useful, right? What are you waiting for? Go buy it now on Shopee or Tokopedia. Thank you.